Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show y'all how to fold down the back seat on a 2009 to 14 F150, as I have here. So, I'm gonna get right in the video. I'm gonna do it over there to show you guys, but pretty much there's this little tab right here that releases the seat back. Now what I did to make it easier is I did remove the headrest, and I'm going to go over here and show you guys. Sorry for the wind noise, it is windy yet again. But okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to fold this part of your seat down, right? This folds up for storage and whatnot. You're going to slide your headrest up, and then this inner tab right here, you're going to push that all the way in and lift up on your headrest. Hang on. Okay. It'll be kind of stubborn. You know, you need to use two hands. It pops up. Be kind of stubborn. You might have to raise the bottom of the seat up, and then you can pop the headrest out. Lay that aside. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to show this, but down in here, I don't know if y'all can see it or not. It's over. It's down in there. You probably can't see it on the camera. But what I did is I took my lanyard right here, Nike lanyard, and the key ring, and stuck it down in there. I'll show y'all on the other side. But I stuck this here lanyard with the key ring, stuck it down, and hooked it right here, and pulled up. Just pull up on it. It'll be kind of stubborn, but pull up on this. Now, this is important. Make sure that this is folded up. Your seat bottom, make sure it's folded up, and then unlatch this. And while you're still holding the latch up, right, while you're still holding it up, fold the bottom and the top of the seat all down together as one piece. If you noticed over there, when I put the seat bottom up, this got lower. That's because of the slide right here. Alright, this here slides on this little track. Well, the first time you do this, if this is not lined up, then you'll have a hard time getting it all back together. So make sure, again, I say make sure you fold these two down together. After you do this, you won't have to do it because you won't have to fold the seat bottom up. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and see if I can find some like picture wire or something along that lines that I can fish down in here, so I can make me a little pull rope. That way I don't have to do this every single time. Okay guys, so what I ended up doing is I found some fishing line, as you can see here, 30-pound test fishing line. And what I did was I took my fingers and my fingernail and bent it, you know, so it would make like a U shape, and then snuck it down right here, not on this side, but this side of this piece of metal, and back up and tied it to itself. You see, now when I pull it, it engages the latch, right? So then, now what I'm going to do is take my fishing line, put it up over here, and I'm going to latch the seat, okay? Because I put two knots in it right there, so I'm pretty confident in my latch, right? This is what I was talking about. It might not completely line up, but it will. You know, you're just going to have to kind of play with it. But then test your latch while you still got plenty of wire. That way you know, if it pops off or whatnot, it's still tied, if that makes any sense. But I'm gonna line this up and get back y'all here in just a second. Okay, so see, I got my wire here, which is tied back here, and I got the seat latched. Right, it's not going anywhere. So then I take my wire, which is right here, and pull it and unlatch the seat. So there you go, guys. Now I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm gonna show y'all what I figure out where to tie the end of this pull string. Okay guys, so I'm gonna turn my flashlight here and show y'all. Now, as you can see, the seat is latched. Right, it's not coming loose. Now, you can see my red wire. I don't know if y'all can see it back here, but you can reach down there and feel it, right? I'm probably gonna redo this, make it a little bit longer. There you go. I'll pull it up there a little bit. You can see the red wire right there. Put your finger in there and pull it. You'll catch on the seat belt, but give it a quick pull, and there it is. So what I did, so I took this fishing line right here that I used, right, and I made this little loop. So basically what I did for that loop is I tied a knot on the very end of this rope, or on this line, and then I tied a knot in the very middle, and then I ran the end of it through the middle of the knot here and tighten it. See, it can't pull back through because it's tied on itself. So there you go. Now all I gotta do is when I fold the seat up, I have it like this on my thumb, right? Or your finger or whatever you got. Right here. Shut it. And now it'll hang out right there. So that's all I'm gonna do. You know, I'm probably gonna extend this a little bit. It will be longer on the other side. But I'm gonna go to the other side here and show y'all that right quick. Okay, so you see what I was talking about kinking this line, making a V in it? Now, what you can do is you can get down in here and slip that in right there and work it down in there, and it'll come out over here at the side. Okay, see, I got it looped right here. Now when you pull this, it pulls the latch. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie this, and I'm going to double knot it, right, because you don't want it to slip off. Then you're going to have to redo all this again. So double knot this. Okay, if y'all can see what I did is I made a knot or a loop on this one that this runs through. So now when you tighten this, this can slip through it, but it can't go nowhere because it's running through here. So if you tighten this, see, like I was saying there, but you can pull this in and it'll tighten on itself. Okay, so now that I have this double knotted, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the seat back up, but I'm not going to fold just the back up, right? Because you fold back up, it won't line up, right? So what you have to do is fold this down, grab the seat bottom and fold both of them up like so, and then latch it. Okay, once you're confident and you're not, latch it just like that. Then you can fold the seat bottom down, right, because now that's lined up. You can fold the seat bottom down and take your line, wrap it around a couple fingers and pull it and unlatch your seat. So what I'm going to do is I have my headrest over here, right, that I took out, this one right here, and I'm going to take it and put it back in. Okay, easy enough. Slide that back in just like so. And now what I'm going to do that I didn't do over there, which, you know, hindsight 2020, is I'm going to take this and I'm going to loop it around this piece right here, and I'm going to tie it to itself just like I did here. Double knot and all that way. All you got to do is just pull it. Okay guys, so I got this tied around here like I was talking about. You can see right there it's tied around the headrest post. Now what you can do is hold the headrest in, or where it was before you took it out, and you can fold this and latch it, and you can't see anything. You don't have to worry about it falling down the seat and whatnot. all you gotta do, reach back here, grab it, pull it. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to put another knot in mine. But just like that, it's tucked in right there. Can't see it. You can latch your seat and you are good to go. So just like that, you know, reach back here like I was talking about, pull it, and there you go. Latch it and you're ready to go, as you can see right there. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and comment down below. Tell me what you think about this mod. You know, is it useful, or you know, whatever you think. Now, why I did this is because you can see back here. You probably can't, because it's getting dark on me out here. But I have all my straps and stuff in here, right? All my straps, rags, stuff like that. Well, now what I can do is I can put those behind the seat with that storage back, you know, back there. My phone just died. But you can put them behind the seat now with that extra storage. So that's why I did it. But yeah, guys, if you like the video, please leave a like, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon. That way you get notified when I post a video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope y'all have a great day.